Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video from 88 Rotors Off-Road. Seems like everybody likes the Tacoma compilations, so here's another one. We're curious as to what our viewers drive. Please comment down below and let us know what you have. This cement gray Tacoma is going with a 3-inch front strut spacer and 1.95-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts. Then we're going to be throwing on some Trd Pro Wheels in 17-inch that are from the 4Runner and wrapping those up in a 285/70/17. And here are the genuine Toyota Trd Pro Wheels from the 4Runner. These come in a 17x7 with the positive 4 offset in a matte black finish. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, that way you won't miss any of our future videos. We usually stock about a pallet of these. Let us know if you need a set of these Trd Pro Wheels. They are a genuine Toyota product. We do buy them in bulk from the local Toyota dealership to save you some money. Here's a previously installed Trd Pro Style Grille with Tss Garnish. Do you have a Tacoma yourself? Please comment down below and let us know what you drive. Here are two other 4Runners, both on Trd Pro Wheels and lifted. Check out our channel for the videos on this one. This cement gray taco is ready to be delivered to the customer. Next up, we have another Tacoma. Next up is this quicksand Tacoma, in for a Fox suspension setup. Here you can see the Fox 2.0 front coilovers installed. Here you can see our tech installing our 88 Rotors Add-A-Leaf system. Some quality control here.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bright. It doesn't really matter.
Here's another Tacoma that we are working on simultaneously, adding a 3-inch front strut spacer and 1.95-inch rear lift block. Throwing on a set of Method NVs in bronze, 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset, and wrapping it up in a 285 7017 RBP Repulsor MT RX tire.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bright. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. Sometimes I wonder, will we be around to see forever on the solar cloud? Sometimes when you're here,